Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to She Builds and Nurtures. I am your host Charlene Bond, and I'm so excited today because today I'm going to be unboxing a box of Everyday Dose coffee. So for those that don't know what Everyday Dose is, it is not your regular coffee. This coffee is a much healthier coffee that's made of mushrooms and collagen and different peptides that will help regulate your mind, help ease and calm your nerves, regulate that nervous system, and things of that nature. So it also gives you energy without all the jitters and things that regular coffee does. I don't know, me personally, I don't drink regular coffee because of all the heavy caffeine that's in it. And so if I do drink a hot beverage that's similar to coffee, I always say, like, give me decaf or give me like the least amount of espresso as possible. And so I'm really excited to get into this and to unbox it and see what's inside. But not only that, I'm going to be doing a review as well a little later to let you know my genuine and honest opinion of Everyday Dose. So without further ado, let's hop into it. All right, so as you can see, it is nicely, I love the logo. Those that know me personally, you know why I love this logo. Like, it's awesome. And then the packaging, it comes in this box. I like the box that it's in. It's in one of those boxes that, let me see, I'll actually show you. So when we open it up, it's in one of those boxes that opens up like this with the tabs in. Oh, look at that. This is beautiful branding. Again, if you know me, like, so for those that don't know me, I used to own a very successful web design and marketing branding company. And I'm very creative and graphic design before I retired from doing it, you know, as a business every day. It is one of my passions. Like, I hate bad design. Like, a bad design, bad branding, bad logos and stuff. It will literally make me not want to buy from you, because it's like you are, you know, giving off a first impression. And so Everyday Dose, good first impression. Let's see what this is. It's powered by mushrooms. Powered by mushrooms. The journey to optimize your mind and body starts now. Scoop a dose into your mug, add water, and froth it up. Make the ritual your own by adding milk, ice, or sweetener if your sexy self desires. Commitment is the key to transformation. We recommend 1 to 4 doses daily for optimal results. Okay, and so just want to get a good glimpse of this box, and then it says "See you on the other side." Now, what is this? It's coffee but better. Okay, so this looks like a little, oh, okay, it's like a pamphlet, a little booklet actually, of what we can expect. So it says that it's science-based or science-backed, what to expect. And then 1 month it has what you can expect. Month 2, month 3, and I'm gonna actually read these to y'all because I wanna give y'all a good review on this. Okay, now I am gonna do another video with me just over time taking it and what I'm able to see within my own self, my own body, if it actually does what it says it's gonna do. And so month 1, it says you can expect better sleep, boosted mood, sharper focus. Month 2, a healthy gut, consistent energy. Month 3, glowing skin, boosted immunity, and increased metabolism. Yeah, okay, so and this it gives you instructions on how to use it and things of that nature. So that's what this is. Now let's get into this box. What did they send me? All right, so we open it up. Okay, welcome to the other side. Yep, getting healthier just got a whole lot easier. I love the messages. This is so cute. Okay, so this is a 30-day supply bag of Everyday Dose. I believe this is the 30-day. And so the packaging, it looks like it has a resealable, you tear here and it has a resealable packaging. It has your supplement facts, how to make, ways to enjoy, amino acids, all the information, right? Now I did get the not the bold kind, but just like the regular coffee kind. They do have a bold version, but this is the regular here. Okay, so that is that. And then Oh, free monthly gifts. So this is a subscription service. And so if you stay on the subscription, you get gifts every month. So this is my first month of going that I will be using this. And so it looks like they gave me a free rechargeable frother, gunmetal dough spoon, nutrition booklet, and a free breathwork app if I want to download it. I don't think I'm not going to download the breathwork app, but it's cool, you know, if you into that. I have my own stuff that I do to you know, calm stress and overwhelm and things like that. Let's see. So this is, so we already got the coffee. And then, as you can see, let me show you the box. So, okay, this is the frother. This says the Rolls Royce of electric mixers. This branding is on point, for real. So, let's see, something fell out. Okay, that's the instruction for the frother. Okay, so I'm gonna push that back some, and we're gonna open up this frother. Now I'm really excited about this because the frother that I have, let me show you the frother that I have. Now this is my frother that I already have, right? Okay, it's by Mainstays. It was like maybe $10 from Walmart or so, but it's battery operated. And it doesn't have like anything, like this is all. It doesn't have anything to protect the frother part or anything. So it works, but it's not my favorite. And so now we're gonna upgrade with this one. This one is rechargeable. Okay, so I think this is the battery part. It feels kind of heavy. And then let's see, how do we put this together? Because I don't want to mess anything up. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So it looks like it's relatively simple. So we just put this on there. Let's see. Make sure I do it right. Okay. Yeah. So you just put that on there. And it had like some little jigs or whatever. You'll see it when you get it. You snap it down, and then this has the charger, because like I said before, it is rechargeable, and so you can plug it up and charge it. Motivational, you got this. This is awesome. I'm so excited. I haven't used nothing yet. I'm so excited. And now this, see, now I love this, and let's just compare real quick, because this is like, it's night and day. Okay, this one you can even see like the frother on it looks a little smaller. This one is very much more well built. Yeah, this is just overall more well built than this basic frother that I got from Walmart. Okay, so we put that on there, and that's how it looks. So you can put that away, whip it out when you're ready to froth up your beverage, your everyday dose. Let's see, does it have any, okay. So it already has a little charge on it. Oh no. And you just, I'm hitting this button is the power button, and then you have the this where you would charge it, your charging port, and even that is protected. You know, I wish phones did that or something, you know, had a little like a protection thing cover to cover. That's neat. I like that. So that's what's in the box. Let's see, so didn't say anything else. It's okay. So we got the coffee, we got the frother. Okay, it says there's a gunmetal spoon in here. Don't want to miss that one. So let's see, opening back up the box, and it comes with a little sticker. And okay, the gunmetal spoon. Now this is nice. The gunmetal spoon. So I can just scoop up my coffee. Boop, boop. They give you what you need. For sure. They give you what you need, okay? So yeah, I am very pleased with what I got in that box with the awesome branding, right? I'm very pleased. And so I'm going to go ahead and whip some of this up and see how it does with me today. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a full review over time to let you know how I like it. I'll even come and share some recipes because I have a few in mind that I had already planned for this. That's probably not even in a recipe book. These are like recipes I was like, that probably be good. So yeah, I'm gonna share that on my channel and everything. But right now, let's go ahead and make us a cup. So I got my cup. Add 1 tablespoon into your mug, add water, froth it up for 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. And this is what it looks like. If you can see. It smells good. It smells like coffee. It sure does smell like coffee. Spoon, dry it off real good. All right. Now it says to add 1 tablespoon into your mug. Okay. So we're gonna add 1 tablespoon. Right. 1 tablespoon. Add it into the mug. And make sure you can see that. All right. And the next thing is we add water. It says 3 to 7 ounces of water. Okay, so for my water, I'm going to actually use my scale. 3 to 7 ounces. Okay. And that'd probably be right about 7. Okay, 6.8. All right, so I did 6.8 now, so we can might as well say that's 7. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna froth this up. Froth it up. Oh, made a mess. Almost. Okay, so now we got the coffee going. So add your favorite milk, ice, or sweetener if your sexy self desires. Now I'm gonna try it like this first. Put up here so you can see me try it, right? So you can see my reaction. Okay, now I do want to do a disclaimer. I don't drink black coffee, but I do want to try this just as it is. I know what black coffee tastes like. I don't prefer it, and so I always use like some cream or something, but I want to try this as it is. Tastes like coffee. It tastes like coffee. Okay, so now this is how I'm going to do this. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm going to add a little honey, some raw honey, right? Some raw honey to my coffee. All right, and then I am going to add some cinnamon. Okay, so see, this is how I do. This is how I do. You can kind of tell the kind of lattes and stuff I would go for. I'm gonna add some cinnamon, and then I'm gonna add some raw goat milk. And we're gonna add some goat milk to this. I don't add too much, but let's see, how much is that? That's 2.4. Okay, that should be enough. That's 4 ounces. So half a cup of milk. Okay, now I am going to use that frother again. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, we gonna see how that does. Let's see. That is good. This is good. Everyday dose. I'll be taking an everyday dose of this. It's good, y'all. So I'm gonna review as time goes on to see, you know, if like the expectation that I said is gonna do what it said it's gonna do. I read it, and so we gonna see how it does for me. Okay. My goodness, I'm making a mess, y'all. But yeah, everyday dose. It's dosing, and I don't mind drinking this every day. It's good. Another thing, I always get hot, warm beverages. I usually don't drink anything like cold coffee or anything like that. Occasionally I might get like a frappe with the least amount of espresso as possible, but cold coffee, cold brews and things like that is not typically my thing. But this is actually delicious. I can do this. I can do it. I will be trying this, reviewing it, and if you are interested in getting your own cup of everyday dose, I'll have the link in the description. So yeah, stay tuned for my review, and until next time, stay building, stay nurturing, and God bless.